Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract incredible opportunities, loving relationships, financial success, and endless blessings, while others struggle despite working just as hard? Is abundance really about luck? Or is there a hidden force that quietly shapes every experience in your life? What if I told you that one simple emotion, something you can cultivate today, has the power to transform your health, wealth, happiness, relationships, and even your future? That emotion is gratitude. Gratitude isn't just about saying thank you. It is one of the highest energetic frequencies you can embody. It shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, from fear to faith, from stress to peace. Today, we are going to uncover why gratitude has been called the greatest secret of manifestation and abundance by spiritual masters, scientists, successful entrepreneurs, and philosophers alike. Stay until the end because I'll also share a powerful gratitude practice that can begin transforming your life immediately. The story that changed everything. Let me tell you a beautiful story. Many years ago, there lived an old farmer. One day his only horse ran away. The villagers rushed to him. What terrible luck! The old man smiled. Maybe. A few days later, the horse returned, bringing with it several wild horses. Again, the villagers gathered. What wonderful luck! The old man simply replied. Maybe. Soon after, his son tried to tame one of the wild horses and broke his leg. Again, everyone cried. Such bad luck. The old man answered. Maybe. A week later, soldiers came through the village recruiting young men for war. Because his son had a broken leg, he was spared. The villagers once again said, what incredible luck! The old man smiled. Maybe. Life unfolds in mysterious ways. Events that seem like setbacks often become blessings. Opportunities often arrive disguised as disappointments. Gratitude teaches us to trust that every experience is serving our highest good, even when we cannot yet understand why. And that trust changes everything. The illusion of scarcity. Most people wake up every morning already focused on what they don't have. I need more money. I wish I had a better job. I need a healthier body. I don't have enough time. I wish my life looked different. Without realizing it, they spend the entire day broadcasting one message to the universe: I don't have enough. The subconscious mind accepts whatever you repeatedly focus on. When your dominant attention is on lack, your brain begins searching for more evidence of lack. Psychologists call this the reticular activating system, or RAS. This incredible part of your brain filters millions of pieces of information every second. It notices what you consistently believe. If you constantly think, I'm unlucky, your brain will prove it. If you constantly think, I'm blessed, your brain begins noticing blessings everywhere. Nothing outside has changed, but everything inside has. And your inner world eventually becomes your outer reality. Gratitude is an abundance frequency. Imagine two radio stations. One broadcasts fear, the other broadcasts abundance. Both frequencies exist simultaneously. The station you hear depends entirely on what you're tuned into. Your thoughts, your emotions, your beliefs. Together they create your frequency. Gratitude is one of the fastest ways to shift your emotional vibration. Instead of asking, what am I missing? You begin asking, what is already beautiful in my life? Suddenly, your morning coffee becomes a blessing. Your family becomes a blessing. Your breath becomes a blessing. Your home becomes a blessing. The sunlight becomes a blessing. The smile of a stranger becomes a blessing. Life hasn't changed. Your awareness has. And awareness is where abundance begins. The universal law of appreciation. One timeless spiritual principle appears across cultures and traditions. What you appreciate appreciates. Think about a plant. If you water it, protect it, care for it, it grows. Ignore it, neglect it, complain about it, it slowly dies. Relationships work the same way. Businesses work the same way. Health works the same way. Even money responds to appreciation. People who constantly complain about money usually experience more financial stress. People who treat money with respect often make wiser financial decisions. Gratitude creates responsibility. Responsibility creates growth. Growth creates abundance. Why successful people practice gratitude? If you study highly successful individuals across different fields, you'll notice something fascinating. Many of them maintain a daily gratitude practice. Athletes, CEOs, authors, actors, entrepreneurs, spiritual teachers. Why? Because gratitude trains the mind to recognize opportunity instead of obstacles. Imagine entering every meeting believing something wonderful is about to happen. Instead of, I hope nothing goes wrong. Which person walks differently, speaks more confidently, creates better relationships, takes more inspired action? The grateful person. Gratitude changes your energy before it changes your circumstances. And people naturally respond to positive energy. The science behind gratitude. Modern neuroscience confirms something ancient wisdom has always taught. When you experience genuine gratitude, your brain releases chemicals associated with happiness and emotional well being, including dopamine and serotonin. These neurotransmitters help improve mood, motivation, and resilience. Gratitude also helps reduce the body's stress response. Instead of remaining trapped in constant worry or anxiety, your nervous system begins shifting toward a calmer, more balanced state. Over time, practicing gratitude can influence the way your brain processes experiences. Rather than automatically noticing what's missing or going wrong, your mind becomes more skilled at recognizing positive moments, supportive relationships, and new opportunities. This doesn't mean problems disappear. It means you become mentally and emotionally stronger, allowing you to respond to life's challenges with greater clarity, optimism, and confidence. Science and spirituality, though they use different language, point toward the same insight: the quality of your attention shapes the quality of your experience. The mirror principle. Imagine standing in front of a mirror. You smile. The reflection smiles back. You frown. The reflection frowns. Life behaves much like that mirror. When we approach each day expecting only problems, disappointments, and lack, our attention naturally locks onto those experiences. But when we consciously cultivate gratitude, we begin noticing kindness, opportunities, solutions, and moments of joy that may have always been present. Gratitude doesn't magically erase every difficulty. Instead, it changes the lens through which we see the world. And when our perception changes, our choices, actions, and ultimately our results begin to change as well. The Gratitude Challenge. Here's a simple experiment. Tomorrow morning, before touching your phone, before checking emails, before reading the news, sit quietly. Take a slow, deep breath. Now ask yourself, what are 5 things in my life that I often take for granted but would deeply miss if they disappeared tomorrow? Perhaps it's your eyesight, your parents, your children, your home, clean water, your health, the ability to walk, the ability to hear music, a loyal friend, electricity, the internet, your morning cup of tea. As you think about each one, don't rush. Pause. Feel genuine appreciation. Notice how your body responds. Notice how your breathing changes. Notice the quiet sense of peace that begins to arise. That feeling is more than a pleasant emotion, it is the beginning of a different way of experiencing life. And every great transformation starts with a single moment of awareness. Gratitude is not pretending that life is perfect. It is recognizing that even in an imperfect life, there is always something precious worth appreciating. When you shift your attention from what is missing to what is already present, you stop living from scarcity and begin living from abundance. The greatest manifestations often don't begin with asking for more. They begin with honoring what you already have. How does gratitude actually influence manifestation? Why do so many spiritual teachers insist that gratitude is one of the most powerful forces in the universe? And why do some people keep writing gratitude lists yet still feel stuck? Today, we are going beyond simple positivity and exploring the real connection between gratitude, the subconscious mind, and the creation of a new reality. The manifestation formula. Many people think manifestation works like this: desire to ask to receive. But in reality, there is a missing step. The complete formula is desire to believe to feel to receive. This is the correct path. The universe does not respond only to what you say you want. It responds most strongly to the emotional state you consistently embody. If you say, I want abundance, but internally feel fear, lack, and desperation, the dominant signal is still scarcity. Gratitude changes that signal. When you genuinely feel grateful, your mind and body begin acting as though abundance is already present. And that emotional state creates alignment with the experiences you wish to attract. The seed and the soil. Imagine planting a seed. Your desire is the seed. Your subconscious mind is the soil. Gratitude is the water. Without fertile soil and consistent nourishment, even the best seed struggles to grow. Many people plant desires every day. I want financial freedom. I want love. I want peace. I want success. Then they immediately dig up the seed with thoughts such as, it's probably impossible. People like me don't get that. I never have enough. Nothing works out for me. Gratitude keeps the seed planted. It tells the subconscious, good things are already happening. More is possible. That is a very different message. Why gratitude before the manifestation matters? One of the greatest manifestation secrets is this: be grateful before the evidence appears. This does not mean pretending or lying to yourself. It means appreciating the possibility, the progress, and the unseen support that is already moving toward you. Think about a farmer. A farmer does not stand over the field shouting, where is my harvest? I don't see it yet. The farmer plants the seed, waters the soil, and trusts the process. Gratitude is trust in emotional form. You may not see the harvest yet, but you honor the process anyway. That energy creates patience, consistency, and inspired action. The difference between need and appreciation. Manifestation often slows when we come from need. Need says, I must have this to be happy. Appreciation says, I am already grateful for my life and I am open to receiving more. Notice the difference. Need contracts. Appreciation expands. Need creates pressure. Appreciation creates openness. Need focuses on absence. Appreciation focuses on presence. Abundance flows more easily into an open heart than into a fearful one. The three levels of gratitude. Most people practice gratitude at only the first level. Level 1, gratitude for what you have. Your home, your family, your health, your income, your opportunities. This is powerful. But there are deeper levels. Level 2, gratitude for what is coming. Thank you for the opportunities finding me. Thank you for the financial abundance on its way. Thank you for the loving relationships entering my life. Thank you for the wisdom and guidance I continue to receive. This trains the subconscious to expect good outcomes. Level 3, gratitude for everything, even the lessons. This is where transformation becomes profound. You begin saying, thank you for the challenges that made me stronger. Thank you for the closed doors that redirected me. Thank you for the delays that protected me. Thank you for the experiences that awakened me. At this level, life stops feeling like a battle and starts feeling like a teacher. The gratitude mistake most people make. Here is the mistake. They write gratitude lists mechanically. I am grateful for my house. I am grateful for my job. I am grateful for my family. Done. But there is little emotion behind the words. Manifestation is not driven by repetition alone. It is driven by emotional conviction. Instead of writing 10 things quickly, choose one thing and feel it deeply. For example, I am grateful for my mother's voice. Then pause. Remember a conversation. Hear her laughter. Feel the warmth in your chest. Let the gratitude become real. 1 minute of genuine gratitude is often more powerful than 10 pages of empty words. A powerful gratitude visualization. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a slow, deep breath. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. You are standing in a life that feels abundant, peaceful, and deeply fulfilling. Notice where you are. Notice how you feel. Notice the confidence in your body. Now hear yourself saying, thank you. Thank you for guiding me here. Thank you for every opportunity, every lesson, every person, and every blessing that helped create this reality. Feel the gratitude now, not later. That feeling is the bridge between your present self and your future self. The gratitude multiplier. There is one more secret. Gratitude grows when it is shared. Tell people you appreciate them. Send a message. Write a note. Say thank you with sincerity. Compliment someone genuinely. Acknowledge effort. Celebrate others' success. The universe often sends more through the people we bless than through the things we chase. Gratitude is not a magic trick. It is a way of becoming. It teaches your mind to expect possibility, your heart to remain open, and your spirit to trust the journey. When you consistently combine gratitude with clear intention and inspired action, you begin creating from abundance instead of reacting from fear. And that changes the trajectory of your life. The greatest shift happens within. People often ask, when will my life change? But perhaps a better question is, when will I begin seeing life differently? External success is meaningful, but it is rarely satisfying on its own. Many people achieve impressive careers, financial stability, or recognition, yet still feel something is missing. Gratitude reminds us that abundance is not measured only by what we own. It is reflected in the peace we experience, the love we share, the health we nurture, the kindness we extend, the purpose that guides our actions. When gratitude becomes a way of living rather than an occasional exercise, we begin noticing richness that was always present. A guided gratitude visualization. Find a comfortable position. If you are listening while driving or operating machinery, simply listen without closing your eyes. Otherwise, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in calm. Breathe out tension. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax your jaw. Let your breathing become effortless. Now imagine standing in a beautiful place in nature. Perhaps it is a peaceful beach at sunrise, a quiet forest, a mountain top, or a garden filled with colorful flowers. Notice every detail. Feel the warmth of the sunlight. Hear the sounds around you. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin. As you stand there, imagine that every breath fills your heart with warm, golden light. With every inhale, appreciation grows. With every exhale, worry begins to dissolve. Now silently repeat, thank you for this moment. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for the lessons that helped me grow. Thank you for the people who have supported me. Thank you for the opportunities that are unfolding. Thank you for the strength within me. Imagine this golden light expanding from your heart. It fills your entire body. Then your home, your workplace, your family, your community. And finally, it extends into the world around you. Feel yourself connected to something much greater than yourself. Remain in this feeling for a few quiet moments. Take one final deep breath. And whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day. The 7 Daily Gratitude Habits. Transformation happens through consistent practice. Here are 7 simple habits that can help gratitude become part of everyday life. 1. Begin each morning with appreciation. Before reaching for your phone, think of 3 things you genuinely appreciate. They don't need to be extraordinary. A comfortable bed, fresh air, another opportunity to begin again. Starting the day with appreciation helps set a calm and intentional tone. 2. Keep a gratitude journal. Spend a few minutes each evening writing about meaningful moments from your day. Rather than repeating the same list, notice new experiences. This practice trains your attention to recognize the positive without ignoring life's challenges. 3. Express gratitude to others. Don't assume people know how much they matter. Tell them. A heartfelt thank you or a sincere message of appreciation can strengthen relationships and brighten someone's day, including your own. 4. Practice gratitude during difficult times. This doesn't mean pretending painful experiences are enjoyable. Instead, gently ask, what is this experience teaching me? Sometimes gratitude comes not from the difficulty itself, but from the resilience, wisdom, or compassion it develops. 5. Appreciate your body. Instead of criticizing your appearance, thank your body for all it allows you to do. Your heart beats continuously. Your lungs breathe without being asked. Your hands create. Your feet carry you forward. Your body deserves appreciation for its remarkable work. 6. Celebrate small progress. Many people postpone happiness until they reach a major goal. But every meaningful achievement is built from small steps. Celebrate each one. Progress deserves recognition. 7. End every day with gratitude. Before sleeping, quietly ask yourself, what made me smile today? What challenged me and helped me grow? Who made my day better? What blessing might I have overlooked? This simple reflection encourages a peaceful close to the day. Abundance is more than money. Financial success is valuable. But true abundance extends beyond wealth. A person may have a large bank account and still feel lonely. Another may have modest resources but experience deep joy, meaningful friendships, good health, and purpose. A balanced life includes physical well being, emotional resilience, loving relationships, meaningful work, personal growth, inner peace, financial responsibility, a spirit of generosity. Gratitude helps us recognize and cultivate all of these dimensions. The ripple effect of gratitude. One act of appreciation rarely stops with the person who receives it. Imagine thanking a colleague sincerely. They feel encouraged. They carry that positive feeling home. They become more patient with their family. Their kindness influences someone else. A single moment of gratitude can quietly create a chain of positive experiences. Your appreciation has the potential to influence people you'll never meet. Powerful daily gratitude affirmations. Repeat these affirmations slowly. Allow yourself to reflect on their meaning. I welcome each day with appreciation. I recognize the good that already exists in my life. I remain open to new opportunities and meaningful experiences. I trust that I can learn and grow through every season of life. My heart is open to kindness, generosity, and compassion. I celebrate progress, however small. I choose to focus on possibilities rather than limitations. I appreciate myself and the people around me. I approach life with hope, gratitude, and purpose. Every day offers new reasons to be thankful. There is an old saying: two people looked through the same window. One saw mud, the other saw stars. The window was the same. The world outside was the same. Only their perspective differed. Gratitude does not deny that difficulties exist. It simply reminds us that even in challenging seasons, there are still moments of beauty, kindness, hope, and possibility. Perspective influences experience, and experience shapes the story we tell ourselves about life. If there is one idea to carry with you after this video, let it be this: gratitude is not about pretending that everything is perfect. It is about recognizing that even in an imperfect world, there is always something worthy of appreciation. When we choose gratitude, we become more aware of opportunities, more resilient during setbacks, more connected to others, and more present in our daily lives. Abundance begins not only with what we receive, but with how deeply we appreciate what we already have. If this message resonated with you, take a moment right now and write one thing you're truly grateful for in the comments. Your words might encourage someone else to notice the blessings in their own life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content on manifestation, mindfulness, meditation, personal growth, and living with greater purpose. Until next time, remember, a grateful heart doesn't wait for a better life before giving thanks, it discovers that gratitude itself is one of the paths to a richer, more meaningful life. Thank you for watching, and may your days be filled with peace, wisdom, and abundance.